The specific heat of ethanol is 2.46 joules per grams degree Celsius. Find the heat required to raise the temperature of 193 grams of ethanol from 19 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. So the first thing we did was identify the components that they gave us. And what we're solving for, we're solving for heat energy because it says find the heat required to raise the temperature. So we're solving for Q. So I go ahead and put my question mark up here for Q. Our mass is 193 grams times our change in temperature. And the way you calculate change in temperature, remember you take your final temperature minus your initial temperature. So our final temperature is 35 degrees Celsius minus our initial temperature, which is 19 degrees Celsius. And it should give us a change in temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. And then it says our specific heat is 2.46 joules per grams degrees Celsius. So now at this time, before I go ahead and multiply my units or multiply my numbers, I'm going to go ahead and cross out the like units. So we have grams here, we have grams here, we have degrees Celsius here, and we have degrees Celsius here. So we're left with J or joules, which makes sense because heat energy is measured in joules. So now we'll go ahead and pull up our calculator. And let's move our calculator up. And then we'll input our numbers. 193 times 16 times 2.46. And that's going to give us 7,596.48 joules. So I put our answer here, 7,596.48 joules. And so that's what our heat energy ends up being for this problem.